everyone, how's it going? I'm just out on the hill in the Lake District doing some device testing, as well as having a nice walk out because the day is absolutely fantastic, as you can see. And I'm currently testing the N35 and the N30 for a Meshnology. So the good people at Meshnology sent it out to us. This is the N30. Or N35, one or the other, and I've put my own antenna on it. I've also got two antennas, one of which I've stuck on the N35 in the back as well, which is the flatter form factor. These things are absolutely essential for me because, as anyone knows who's been out on the hill and spent any time walking, phone signal and battery life are a premium. So the more you can utilise and keep those down and stay as charged up as possible, the better. That's where this allows you to have communications with any groups or any members of your party that are sort of not with you or around. And also, if you do come into any trouble, you're able to get hold of mountain rescue or any emergency services, and then they can come and locate you and find exactly where you are to cut down. Because one thing that people don't realise is if you do come into trouble while you're on the hill, it's going to take a lot of time for them to get to you. So this is where these things are really essential and really cool, and this is why I absolutely love carrying both mesh core and mesh tastic as well, and these just to make sure cover, because for the weight difference it's not worth not having it. Peace.